welcome you once again to this edition of our learning program. Subject for today is mathematics. Let's look at our topic. Our topic is on measurement of time. We'll be looking at the days of the week and the months of the year. We will also look at the calendar days and then the calendar months. Let's catch some fun. Days of the week. Now, do this with me. There are 7 days in a week. These are Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. Can we do that again? There are 7 days in a week. These are Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. Stay on. Let's do this one too. I guess you remember this. Months of the year. Let's take it again. Months of the year. Now let's sing this song together. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. Oh, January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. Oh, January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. I hope you enjoy the song. You can do that on your own to memorize the months of the year. Now let's look at what we're supposed to learn at the end of this lesson. At the end of this lesson, you'll be able to explain time or know the meaning of time. You can identify or read the days of the week for a given calendar date. You can also be able to identify or read the months of the year calendar date. And finally, you can identify or read the number of calendar months in the month. The calendar days in the month. What is time? Time is measured in seconds, minutes, days, months, and years. Let's take it again. Time is measured in seconds, minutes, hours, days, months, and years. Okay. Now we look at the days of the week. As we know, there are 7 days in a week. When we look at the calendar, we have 7 respective days on the calendar, which are Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. Now, the days are written in their short forms on the calendar. Some of the calendars have them written Sun for Sunday, Mon for Monday, Tu for Tuesday, Wed for Wednesday, Tha for Thursday, Fri for Friday, Sat for Saturday. On other calendars too, we only have the first letter written on it to represent the days. Now we come to reading days of the week on the calendar, I have a question for you. We are finding a particular day on this calendar, and when you observe the calendar very well, a particular number has been circled. Which number is that? Good. That is 29. Alright. So, which day will 29 June 2020 be? What is the answer? Think about it. Now, for you to be able to read the days on a particular calendar month, this is the month of June in the year 2020. So we look at the days. On top, we have S, M, T, W, another T, F, and S. And as I said earlier, S, which is the first S, stands for Sunday. The M stands for Monday. The T for Tuesday. W for Wednesday. T for Thursday. F for Friday. And the second S stands for Saturday. And so if you want to know which day the 29th, which is 29th of June, on the calendar, you just read from your left. Sunday, Monday, and 29 is found below the Monday column. And so 29th of June 2020 is going to be Monday. That is Monday, June 29th, 2020. Yes, you've done a great job. This is how we are able to find a particular day on a calendar. Just trace your days and then read down below that particular day where you are looking for a particular day or a number on the calendar. That's good. Now we come to reading months of the year. As we already know, there are 12 months on the calendar, which is January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, and December. And so we have 12 calendar months in a year. Now let's look at the number of calendar days in the months. In September, there are 30 days respectively. April also have 30 days. June and November as well. I think we remember a rhyme on the number of calendar days in the month. We're going to do that, but let's move on. Apart from the ones we mentioned, September, April, June, and November, the rest have 31 days. And these are January, February, March, May, July, August, and December. Not forgetting February. February alone has 28 days clear and 29 days in each leap year. This means the year 2020 is a leap year. I repeat again, this means that the year 2020 is a leap year. Why? Because February have 29 days in the year 2020, and so therefore that makes it a leap year. Now let's get back and then have a rhyme or song. 30 days has September, April, June, and November. All the rest are 31, except February alone, which has 28 days clear and 29 days in each leap year. Let's take that again. 30 days has September, April, June, and November. All the rest are 31, except February alone, which has 28 days clear and 29 days in each leap year. I guess you love that. You can do that on your own. Now we come to the conclusion of our lesson. What have you learned today? We learned about the definition or the meaning of time. We also learned about reading the days of the week for a given calendar date. We also identified or we read the month of the year calendar date. We identified or read the number of calendar days in the month. Thank you for your attention. You can refer to your textbooks to assist you do the assignment as well as the notes that has been given on this lesson. Here are your assignments. Let's read this together. Number 1. What is time? Number 2. Which day was 12 June 2020? You can answer this question by referring to the calendar of June 2020. Number 3. Draw the June 2020 calendar to indicate the day. So, after you've indicated the day for question 2, that is which day was 12 June 2020, you draw a calendar for question 3, and then you put a circle around the particular day on the calendar you have drawn to indicate that particular day. I repeat again, after indicating or telling the day 12 June 2020 was, then you draw a June 2020 calendar for question 3, after which you circle that particular day, which stands for the day June 12, 2020. Question 4. There are dada months in a year. Let's repeat that again. There are dada months in a year. Question 5. State the number of days that make up the following months. September. How many days make up September? January. How many days are there in January? March. How many days are there in March? So you have to indicate the number of days found in the following calendar months. Question number 6. The year 2020 is not a leap year. I repeat again. Do that with me. The year 2020 is not a leap year. You are to answer true or false for this question. And so therefore, if your answer is true, you just circle or underline the true. If your answer is false, then you have to circle or underline the false. You are not to choose all the answers or both answers, but you have to choose only one. Alright. I hope you've really enjoyed the lesson. Stay time. Goodbye.